Box number 1. This is one of many boxes of sewing machine parts that I purchased. I haven't thoroughly looked through all these. These came off a shelf, so they're going to be in a bunch of little boxes like this here. We'll just pull all these little boxes out, and then we'll go through the boxes here. Okay. Boxes. Boxes. There, I can use this box for shipping. Okay, here we go. This is what was in the first box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tiny skinny boxes. And 2 bigger boxes. So let's go through these boxes. Let's see what we have in here. We'll just dump it out. What are we working with? Oh, old school light bulbs. Worthless. 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 Okay, that first one was a bunk. Bunch of old school light bulbs. Okay, what else do we have here? They're in packs. Oh, I guess they have their own packing system. I don't know, some kind of tiny light bulb. There's stuff in here? Little tiny light bulbs or something. No clue. Alright. Oh. Oh, how nice is that? It's for a brother. That actually tells about the little light bulbs. Isn't that crazy? Okay. Not so good so far. What else we got here? Needles. Needles. Smiths. So we got some of those. 1, 2, 3. Wow, $4 for a pack. That's what that says here. $4 each for these. Well, that's not what they're going to be now. Okay, next one. Old needles. No clue what this is. Three more packs of needles. There's not much in these boxes. Oh. Some loose needles. I got a thing for loose needles here. We'll use this right here. Okay, next. Ooh, now we're talking. Oh, more of these. Oh, they had them in some kind of dispensary thing. Junk. A couple more of those light bulb things. miscellaneous shuttle. The trash. Okay, I would say this is probably a not a sewing machine part, but a vacuum part. I'm guessing these are vacuum parts. We'll just set these off. They got mixed up. Worthless bulbs, worthless bulbs, worthless bulbs. What the heck? Bunch of worthless bulbs. Brand new too. That's crazy. Never seen nothing like that. Huh, weird. Okay. Need a trash box going. Bulbs. Alright. Another, probably a vacuum part. Huh, what's in here? Maybe this last one. Glitter. Glitter Man Creative. 1, 2, 3 of those. Oh, thread. Nice. Funny looking thread. More old school light bulbs. If anybody ever still uses those, they're pretty much obsolete. Alright, so we have these funny looking thread things. There's 3 boxes of them. There's another partial. Well, fill it up. I guess they like these kind of threads. 4 boxes. Well, it wasn't very exciting for the first box, but that's it. That's it, pretty much. Right here is all we got. There's some needles and some thread. Not very good at all. Some old school light bulbs. Brand new in pack. Alright, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. A lot more box videos. Hopefully a lot more exciting than this box. A lot more to come. Thanks for watching.